In this video today, I'm going to show you an even better method for enhancing your photos than Adobe Photoshop's brand new super resolution feature. What is happening, people? My name is Gorav and I'm a travel and a wedding photographer based in Birmingham, England. You might already have come across Adobe Photoshop's brand new feature, which is called Super Resolution. With the Super Resolution feature, you can enlarge and enhance your images. Let me show you what I mean. So I've got this really old image of me and my family members, and it was actually WhatsApped across to me. So you can imagine the quality isn't going to be absolutely amazing. Let me just zoom in a little. As you can see, the more I zoom in, the more this image starts to deteriorate. So like I said, what the super resolution feature does is it enlarges and enhances your images so you don't lose any of that detail. And I'm going to show you how that actually works. But we're going to open this image in Photoshop's Adobe Camera Raw. So here's the original image that I've selected in Adobe Bridge. I'm going to right click on this image, open in Camera Raw, and here we go. So here's that same image. Let's just zoom in. You can see it's getting pixelated as we zoom in. To access the super resolution feature, we're going to right click on this image and press enhance. And here we are, another dialog box opens. It says enhance preview with the super resolution box checked. Let's just move that to my face here, and if I click and hold the image, you can see it says without enhance. And if I let go, it says enhance. So you can see the difference super resolution is making. We're just going to go ahead and click enhance here. And what we have here is we've got a copy of the super resolution image. Now what I've already gone and done is I've got the original image and I'll put the super resolution image on top of the original image just for the purpose of this video. So here we go. I've opened up all the images in Photoshop, and you can see here I've labeled them original, so you can see which one's the original one. And I'm just going to turn off the original because the super resolution version is actually underneath this, so you can see the difference. I'm just going to turn that off, and this is a super resolution image. I don't know if you can see the difference. Let me just turn the original one back on. I'm going to zoom in a little bit just to see if you can see the difference a little bit more clearer. So this is a super resolution image. That's the original. Super resolution, original. Now, I don't know if you can see the difference between the two images with the YouTube compression on top of this video, but the super resolution version of the image is slightly sharpened and even brought back some digital noise, which I'm not really a big fan of. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. I've actually already put this original image that I got WhatsApped across to me into a mobile phone app to see how much of the detail I can regain, and I was very surprised with the results. Let me show you. So once again, this is the original image. This is the super resolution version, and you ready for it? This is the version that I put through the mobile app. The app is actually called Remini, and it's a free app. I'm in no way in affiliation with this app. I just happened to stumble across this app by watching one of the YouTube videos from Pixelperfect, and I'll put a link to that video in the description below if you want to check it out. So back to this. This is the Remini version. So this is the version I put through the app, and this is the original version. The difference is night and day. And I'm just going to zoom in to my face here. So this is the original version that I had WhatsApped across to me, and this is the version I got back out of the Remini app. I'm just going to go to Adobe Photoshop super resolution version just for a second. That's super resolution, that's the original, and that's the enhanced version that I got out of the Remini app. Now I think you'll agree, although this version isn't absolutely perfect, it's light years ahead of Adobe Photoshop's super resolution feature. I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial of me using the Remini app so you can see for yourself. By the way, you don't have to subscribe to this app. You do get free 5 attempts a day, which is more than enough really. Anyway, we're going to press enhanced and select my image. And just to prove that it is the one that's been WhatsApped to me, I'm just going to zoom in so you can see it's pixelated, it's not in great condition. And what we're going to do is we're going to press this red tick button at the bottom here, and because it's a free version we have to watch an advert, which I don't really mind really. So here we are, we're done. I'm going to press the cross at the top, and there we go. That's the before, that's the after. You can't really see anything there, but I'm just going to zoom in quickly so you can see the before and after, and we can even zoom in closer. That's the before and that is the after. That is literally wizardry. So there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I just want to take this opportunity to thank everybody who has been supporting me with my YouTube journey. Let me know in the comments below if this video was helpful and what you intend to use this feature for, and I'll catch you in the next one.